In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add and edit text in various applications. Let's start off with adding text. Now, this process may vary slightly depending on the application you are using, but the universal method across most, if not all, programs is to simply click where you want your text to go, placing a cursor at the desired location, which allows you to directly start typing your text there. But if you're using a design program such as Photoshop or Canva, the procedure could be a bit different. In such programs, you will have to select the tool specifically designed for adding text. These tools can be easily located on the applications panel, often named something like text or type. After choosing this tool, make a click on your designated canvas area, and this will enable you to create a text box or start typing your text immediately. Let's advance to another application type, say Microsoft Word. Here, you have a slightly different method to add your text. By drawing a text box, simply create a box anywhere on your document, which will serve as a designated area for your text. Now that we've covered the addition of text, let's navigate towards editing already existing text. A very simple method is replacing text, where you literally select the text you need to replace and start typing your new content immediately. One quick and efficient method of selecting a particular word for replacement is by double-clicking on it. To edit content within a text box, you either double-click the box or simply click inside it to activate the editing mode where you can delete, modify, or add new text as per your requirement. Let's move on to text formatting, highlighting some tips and techniques. First, you'll need to select the specific text you desire to format. Post-selection, you will observe a pop-up toolbar or a tab named Home, which presents you with various options to customize your text. You can change the font type, modify the size, color, and employ attributes like bolding, italicizing, or underlining your text. In more advanced design programs such as Photoshop or Adobe Express, you have the availability of some additional options to manipulate your text. You can locate these options in a dedicated panel, and they allow you to adjust parameters like line spacing, letter spacing, and text alignment, providing you with even more control over your text's appearance. So this wraps up our tutorial on adding and editing text in various applications. Whether you are crafting a simple document or designing a graphic, these methods allow you to effectively manage and customize your text content.